Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Learn Easy. In this video, we are solving the very last exercise from chapter 3 data handling from NCERT class 7th mathematics textbook. So this is the fourth part where we will solve exercise 3.4 based on chance and probability. In the previous, we have solved exercise 3.1, 3.2 and 3.3. You can check the description box for the links. Let us begin with exercise 3.3. So this is based on chance and probability. So before we start with the exercise, I would like to tell you that what is, what is probability, what are trials, what are random experiments, what are elementary events, and what is the occurrence of an event. So basically, trials is an action which results is one of the several outcomes. For example, like we have tossed a coin. तो जब हम कॉइन को टॉस करते हैं तो either we will get heads or tails, राइट. सो दे विल बी, सो दिस इज अ ट्रायल. हमने ट्रायल करा कि कॉइन को टॉस किया, या तो हमें हेड्स मिला या मिला टेल्स. रैंडम एक्सपेरिमेंट मींस an experiment in which the results of the trial cannot be predicted. मतलब अगर हमने कॉइन को टॉस किया, या तो हेड्स आया या टेल आया, हमें नहीं पता while tossing that whether head will come or tails will come. Also, if I throw a dice, so dice has numbers from 1 to 6. So when we are throwing the dice, we don't know which number will appear on the dice. So these types of experiments are called as random experiments, right? अच्छा, इसके बाद हमको elementary event, right? So we have understood what is trial and we have now understood what is random experiment. अब हम बात करते हैं elementary event की, specific outcomes of random experiment. For example, हमने coin को toss किया, 2 बार coin को हमने toss किया, so that means एक बार heads आया और एक बार tails आया. That means specific outcomes of the random experiment or occurrence of an event, matlab when any one of the elementary event is the outcome of a trial, then the event is said to occur, right? Then the event is said to be occurred. So for this we have one formula for the probability, that is empirical probability or normal probability, number of trials in which the event has occurred, or you can also write number of favorable outcomes. यही मैंने अपने students को पढ़ाया है, number of favorable outcomes divided by total number of trials. इसको हम total number of outcomes भी लिख सकते हैं, right? So whenever you are attempting any question related to probability, you need to write down the formula, right? So this formula is very important, right? Now let us start with the first question, because NCERT has very less questions, so that is why it was important for me to explain. Tell whether the following is certain to happen, impossible, or can happen. Let's look at the first one. So the first one is, you are older today than yesterday. That means आज आप बड़े हो कल से. That means अगर last year आप 10 years के थे, तो definitely in this year you will be 11. So you are older than today. Yes. So this is certain to happen. ये जरूर होगा, ये event जरूर होगा, तो इसको बोलते हैं certain to happen. Coming to the second one, a tossed coin will land heads up. अगर हमने कॉइन को टॉस करा तो उसका हमेशा हेड ही अप आएगा. इट कैन हैपन, हो सकता है, बट नॉट सर्टेन, मतलब कोई श्योरिटी नहीं है कि ये पक्का होगा, राइट? थर्ड वन, अ डाई व्हेन टॉस शैल लैंड अप विद 8 ऑन द टॉप. अगर डाइस को मैं टॉस करती हूँ तो पहली बार डाइस में कभी भी 8 नहीं होता, सो राइट. सो दिस इज स्ट्रेट अवे इम्पॉसिबल इवेंट. ये जो हम एक्टिविटी परफॉर्म कर रहे हैं इसको हम बोलते हैं इवेंट, राइट? Let's move to the second. There are 6 marbles in the box from numbers 1 to 6 marked. कैसे करेंगे इस क्वेश्चन को? देखो, हम लेंगे इसमें मार्बल्स 1 2 3 4 5, 6. ये 6 marbles हैं, right? Okay. Now the question is saying us, what is the probability of drawing a marble with number 2? So first we will write the formula. Probability is equal to favorable outcome upon, that is divided by total number of outcomes या trials, जो आप लिखना चाहो. तो obviously probability of getting 2 क्या है, टोटल कितने हैं 6, और लेकिन 2 कितनी बार आ रहा है, सिर्फ 1 टाइम, तो मैं 2 को लिखूंगी एक बार. नाउ आई विल रिड्यूस इट. 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6, so 1/3 is the correct answer. Similarly, if I want to calculate for the second one, formula remains the same. What is the probability of drawing a marble with number 5? So probability of 5 ब्रैकेट में वो लिखते हैं जो हमें ढूंढना होता है. मान लो बॉल्स होती तो P ग्रीन, P ब्लू, P रेड ऐसे लिखते हैं. तो हमें यहाँ पे नंबर 5 ढूंढना है. तो अगेन नंबर ऑफ आउटकम्स टोटल 6 है. ड्रॉइंग कितना है 5, 5 एक ही बार आया, राइट. सो दैट इज 1, राइट. सो इसको थोड़ा सा हम यहाँ पे चेंज करना चाहेंगे. क्या चेंज करा है हमने, जस्ट हैव अ लुक अगेन. P2 2 कितनी बार आया, एक बार. टोटल नंबर ऑफ आउटकम्स हो गए 1 6. सिमिलरली अगर हम 5 की बात करें तो 6 हो गए हमारा टोटल नंबर्स, और हमारा 5 कितनी बार आया 1. तो 2/6 जो हमने करा था वो गलत था क्लास. तो ये 1/6 एंड 1/6 इज द प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ ड्रॉइंग अ मार्बल नंबर 2 एंड ड्रॉइंग अ मार्बल नंबर 5. Right? I hope this question is clear to all of you. Okay, so let's move further. So these are the answers for question number 2, first part, and the second. Let's move further. A coin is flipped to decide which team starts the game. जब हम coin को flip करेंगे तो class या तो हमें मिलेगा heads, which is denoted by capital H, or I will get tails, that is capital T. What is the probability that your team will start? For example, if I take head, ठीक है, कॉइन को टॉस करेंगे या तो हेड आएगा या टेल आएगा. तो probability is equals to favorable outcome. एक कॉइन को टॉस करेंगे तो एक ही हेड आएगा और एक ही टेल होता है, ठीक है. फेवरेबल आउटकम अपॉन टोटल नंबर ऑफ आउटकम्स, राइट. दैट इज फेवरेबल कितना है, हेड आएगा वो एक बार, और हमारे पास आउटकम कितने हैं 2. तो ये प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ हेड्स है. और अगर आप टेल्स चूज करते हो, प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ टेल्स इट विल बी 1/2. वन बाय टू एंड 1/2, राइट. सो दीज आर द 2 आंसर्स फॉर दिस. अगर आप हेड्स चूज करते हो तो भी 1/2, टेल्स चूज करते हो तो भी 1/2, राइट. So this is the answer for the third part. So we had only 3 questions, so this was a very short video. I hope everybody liked it. Please like this video, share this video with your friends, and if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please hit the subscribe button. To check on the updates, you can check the description box for the links where we have solved NCERT class 6, class 7, lots of questions for all of you, right. Thank you. Find us on Facebook as Learn Easy. Share this video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe the YouTube channel for more updates. Thank you.